In this episode of Performance Car Refurb, we begin reassembly of the R32 GTR. In Performance Car Refurb, we follow two fourth-year apprentices as they learn collision repair tips as they refurbish a Nissan R32 Skyline GTR, a hero and modern classic of the performance car world. This R32 will soon have the show to match its go.
What you can call R&R, so remove and refit, is a stage that I deal with. Out of the paint shop, it'll need a cure for a period of time, depending on what your paint system is.
It's the panel beater's responsibility to refit the vehicle, put the car back together, mainly because it's the panel beater that took the car apart.
In the reassembly stage, we need to make sure those body lines are consistent throughout the car. We went to so much effort in the repair stage to make sure that they were there, so we need to go to the same amount of effort to put them in the right spot. But especially on a car with a little bit of heritage like that, and it's going to be showed off, it's going to be at events, people are going to be looking at it. And so we need to get that right, especially through from the door to the guards. That's probably an important area, and then obviously the rear door into the quarter.
With the body shell, panels and bumpers all looking brand new, the GTR would be let down if it used nearly 30-year-old trims and window rubbers. So we decided to get new ones so that Godzilla could look better than new. 90s JDM cars have now reached the point where many parts are no longer in production, out of stock or hard to find. Dealerships often are unable to source them, so going to a specialist who knows your car, knows the parts, and knows how to get them is a better option when refurbishing. In our next and final episode of Performance Car Refurb, we reveal the finished product.